You asked how to buy shares of Pioneer Acquisition I Corp. This company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PACH and is listed as an acquisition vehicle. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PACH to find the listing. Locate the NASDAQ result to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to use, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next open. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the link to eToro and more details, check the description below.